You're standing in the kitchen appliance aisle, or stuck scrolling at midnight, and you cannot decide. Ninja or Instant Vortex? Both look great on paper. Both have thousands of 5-star reviews. So which one actually belongs in your kitchen? Today, we settle this once and for all. We're doing a full, honest, side-by-side breakdown. Cooking performance, capacity, features, and value for money. No fluff, no filler, no brand bias. Just the clear answer you need to make the right call and stop second-guessing yourself. Here's what nobody tells you before you buy. Choose the wrong air fryer and you're stuck with it for years. Maybe the basket is too small for a family meal. Maybe the temperature runs inconsistent and your chicken comes out half raw, half burnt. Maybe the controls are confusing and you use it twice before it collects dust on the shelf. These are real problems that happen to real people every single day. A bad air fryer doesn't just waste money, it wastes your time, ruins your meals, and kills your motivation to cook healthy at home. That's exactly why Air Fryer Guidance exists. The site is built around one simple promise: cook faster, eat healthier. The team tests every major air fryer with real kitchens, honest comparisons, and clear buying guides you can actually trust. Whether you want healthy cooking tips, air fryer recipes, or a straight-up product recommendation, it's all there waiting for you. Today's video covers the Ninja and Instant Vortex head-to-head, so you walk away knowing exactly what to buy. No confusion, no wasted money, just the right air fryer for your kitchen. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Ninja. The standout feature is Air Crisp technology. It pushes 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air that completely surrounds your food from every angle. The result is that hot, crispy finish you'd expect from deep frying, without all the oil. The basket holds 5 quarts and is fully non-stick. It comfortably fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings in a single batch. For a household of 2 to 4 people, this capacity hits the sweet spot perfectly. Cleanup is fast thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick crisper plate. Now let's talk about the Instant Vortex with TurboBlaze technology. This is not a marketing gimmick. At 3,600 revolutions per minute, the fan system is significantly more powerful than a standard air fryer motor. What does that mean for you? Faster cooking times, more even heat distribution, and a crispier exterior on everything from frozen snacks to fresh proteins. You spend less time waiting and more time eating. If you cook frequently and want speed without sacrificing texture or flavor, TurboBlaze is a genuine performance upgrade that earns its price every single time you use it. Now let's look at the Cosori and its unique 5-fan speed system. This is where precision cooking gets seriously interesting. Temperature control ranges from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That wide range means you can gently dehydrate fruit at the low end, then crank it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect steak sear. The 5-fan system ensures heat reaches every part of your food evenly. No cold spots, no overcooked edges, no guesswork. For home cooks who care deeply about texture, consistency, and repeatable results, the Cosori delivers every single time without fail. If you want the ultimate kitchen upgrade, the 14-in-1 air fryer oven changes the game completely. It combines 7 air fry modes, including fries, chops, and shrimp, inside a massive 26-quart family-sized capacity. It ships loaded with accessories: a wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a complete kitchen appliance replacement in a single unit. For larger families or serious home cooks who want maximum versatility, this oven-style unit earns every inch of counter space it occupies. So why trust Air Fryer Guidance for this decision? Because the site exists purely to help home cooks, not to push a single brand or sponsored product. Every guide covers top-rated air fryers, healthy cooking tips, air fryer recipes, and detailed head-to-head comparisons you can rely on. There's even a dedicated guide on the best frozen foods for air fryers. All content is updated regularly, independently researched, and written specifically for everyday home kitchens of every size. Thousands of readers use air fryer guidance every month to make confident, informed buying decisions. Now it's your turn to get the right answer. Ready to make your final decision right now? Go to airfryerguidance.com today. Use the full Ninja versus Instant Vortex comparison guide to see every spec laid out side by side in plain language. Browse the top 3 picks, explore dedicated buying guides, and find your perfect air fryer in minutes, not hours. If this video saved you time and confusion, hit subscribe and drop a comment below telling us which air fryer you're going with. We read every single comment. Cook faster. Eat healthier. We'll see you in the next video.